How do you feel about your new remodel?
Oh, I'm feeling so good. Your company did good, very, very nice job. Very professional, excellent job. So I'm feeling so good because my kitchen is 75 years ago, so now it's brand new.
How was your experience with your project coordinator?
He did a good job too.
He did a good job.
What did you like the most about your remodel?
I like the counter.
The counters?
Would you refer us to a friend or relative?
I did, right now I did got too many friends.
Okay, you already referred us to your
Yeah,
friends.
I
What
did.
did you say?
They say, oh yeah, I will call you. That's it.
But what did you say about us?
Oh, I say, well, you know, I showed it all this picture and new picture. Oh my God, this is brand new. Yeah, it's new.